Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete photos from your Google Photos without deleting them from your phone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Now, if you wanted to get rid of a specific photo or a video from your Google Photos, but you wanted to keep it on your iPhone, Android, whatever it may be, I'm going to show you that process. So if you open up the Google Photos app here, and let's say I have just this photo, if I tap the trash can icon at the bottom right here, it says allow Google Photos to delete this photo. So if I hit allow or delete here, it will delete that. But that's not what we want. We want to keep it on my phone. So to do that, I'm going to hit deny and go back. The key is you need to go into a web browser. So I'm going to open up my browser and I went to photos.google.com. And so I'm here, you can see here is that specific photo. I can tap on it. And now I can hit that trash can icon at the top right and then hit move to trash. So the key here is okay, I've deleted this from here. You can see it's no longer in my Google Photos. This will delete your photo just from Google Photos, not from your phone. So that's basically how you can delete photos from your Google Photos without deleting them from your phone. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.